our rainy day routine, Pudge gets to tour the barn a little bit. Right now he's just inspecting around his stall to make sure everything is in order. Gray Boy's trying to figure out what's going on. Pudge inspecting the empty stall to make sure it's ready for everyone to join in one by one for cleaning the stalls. Oh, Pudge wants to say hi to Patches. Oh, giving some kisses to Pip before she goes. Saying hello to Spike. Oh, that's Willie. Saying hello to Willie. Finding loose grain on the floor. Say hello to Mommy. It's her birthday today, Pudge. Say happy birthday. Get out of the trash. Patch is saying hello.
Here, Pudge. Pudge.
Here we have Pudge inspecting the feed room, making sure the cats have enough food and water. Yep, plenty of food and water there. Feed buckets are filled. Excellent. Okay.